Today we will generally discuss the spell Truly token expense assumption for 2022, 2025 and 2030. Considering the thought underneath which is genuinely huge, the expense of a computerized cash explicitly is one of the really primary components to consider in opposition to mainstream thinking. Computerized monetary standards for the most part have been a fantastic accomplishment, and all the while for certain clients, a disaster situation perspective fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. With everything taken into account, traders and monetary sponsor truly are persistently looking for cost assumptions thoroughly and need to know the answers for these as frequently as conceivable. Really looked for explanation on a few major problems. Fundamentally is basically spell genuinely token spell an insightful endeavor. Essentially how in every practical sense, much will basically spell truly token be especially worth in 2025 or how much will especially spell token sort of be truly worth in 10 years, placing assets into any crypto, in the especially lengthy and transient, will be analyzed in every practical sense, start to finish. Oddly, it especially is jumbled if we by and large are placing assets into spell, or on the sort of other hand accepting spell kind of token will get by for the accompanying several years. In any case we ought to examine the spell certainly token spell frame, and a genuinely short preamble to this rapidly creating crypto proceeding progressing forward toward the accompanying point, in an unobtrusive manner. Spell token at by and large present truly remains at 0.00093743 USD, with a market cap of 88,905,654, making it rank 194 in the main coin list. Spell certainly has a 24-hour volume of 24,879,845. As essentially showed by the tech newsletter price index in a fundamentally enormous manner, spell especially token expense regard by and large has changed 407 at this point in an unpretentious manner over the latest 7 days. The expense of really spell most certainly has changed by 0.75 or so. They truly thought it most certainly is confined to a furthest reaches of 94,839,296,900 coins. In a truly significant manner spell sort of token price prediction 2022 and 2022. With extra gathering and associations between in every way that really matters other for the most part major blockchain networks, the expense of explicitly spell token would take off the best trading cost could by and large reach 0.002 in 2022. The expense reaches will be exceptionally moving, if that we really keep it up truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. If all works out emphatically we can expect a regular expense of 0.002, with a generally outrageous expense of 0.002 for 2022 spell price prediction 2023. A clear approach to truly manage this money can basically be found on various destinations and get-togethers, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, as indicated by this assumption stage spell really token will essentially hold its continuous expense for a long time by 2023. The spell should justify a biggest worth of 0.003. Kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, the base expense can go up to 0.003 if the market generally turns bullish, which basically is very critical. Spell price prediction 2024, the spell token worth will explicitly extend, thanks to the undertakings of association specialists and kind of neighborhood sponsor, hence still up in the air for the year 2024 is bullish, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell especially should show up at a biggest worth degree of 0.004, close to the completion of 2024, as explicitly demonstrated by specialists in a sort of significant manner. On the other hand, it generally is very certainly confident that the destiny of basically spell token will at last create, which is very huge. Thusly, the kind of ordinary regular expense of spell will be around 0.004 to 0.004, is typical in 2024, depending upon the market, which is very critical as exhibited in a comparative brand name. The most truly outrageous expense of spell goes from 0004 to 0004 for 2024, which generally is very huge. Spell price prediction 2025 for truly long stretch spell kind of token expense assumptions. Principal examination really is basic, to the extent that industry benefits the kind of nearby emblematic offers a couple, which in a real sense is very huge. The autonomy of the high-level economy makes it ideal, which for the most part is very huge, as dApps and stablecoins create the association in a real sense, offers programmable and serious portion facilitated tasks, and limit decisions in a sort of significant manner. It is possible that the in every practical sense ordinary expense of generally spell will augmentation to around 0006 by 2025, accepting kind of additional monetary sponsor, basically are attracted to the idea, which is very huge for 2025. The year can end with a biggest worth of 0007, with a base worth level of 0006 or so. They in every practical sense thought spell price prediction 2026 spell will by and large be seen as an in every practical sense unrivaled decision. And with the Goliath kind of neighborhood spell truly token course will in a real sense show up at new levels in a significant manner. Esteem differences sort of are somewhat difficult to expect, especially if the market certainly is more bullish or truly negative than some other time. For the year 2026, the expense of spell token will commonly be close 0008 or so. They thought the best assertion we can basically get is 0010, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The expected regular expense for really spell certainly token, close to the completion of 2026, may be around 0008, which is very critical. Colossal worth basically turn is truly ordinary inside the arrive at set by the crypto market spell pretty token price prediction 2027. The continuous worth extent of spell genuinely token could bear some importance with various representatives, and subsequently essentially spell can truly reach 0014 by 2027. With huge cooperation with financial foundations, expecting that the going with conditions fundamentally are somewhat met in a for the most part enormous manner, with a commonplace expense of 0013 for 2027. It can basically beat the latest worth example to new highs by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking the worth motto could move, as the crypto market could sort of see another upswing heading towards 2027 or so. They in a real sense thought spell sort of token price prediction 2028 unpredictability most certainly is the main impetus of the cryptographic currency market. Today it isn't quite easy to generally predict and especially follow current expenses, or so they in a real sense thought. Various crypto specialists in every way that really matters become conceivably the main figure such way cost assumptions spell price prediction 2029 there in a real sense are signs that the crypto market certainly will generally enter one more period in a fundamentally significant manner. Obviously the excessively long expense assumption for spell cost will truly take off, as there especially is still vision that the cash will especially stick out, or so they thought. The year 2029 can end with a normal expense